Hey team, I'm Alex from L&D, and today we'll cover the setup and maintenance of our pedal plate delivery e-bikes. Ensuring a smooth ride means timely deliveries, which is what pedal plate is all about. Starting with the basics, let's set up your e-bike. Follow the user manual that comes with it. It's as simple as aligning the handlebars, securing the wheels, and ensuring the battery is properly placed. Always double-check the brakes before you ride. Safety first. Speaking of the battery, it's the heart of our e-bike. Before your shifts, ensure it's fully charged. This way, you won't have to worry about running out of juice mid-delivery. Moving on to tires. They should be firm but not too hard. Regularly check for any punctures or wear. If you spot any, report it immediately. The bike chain. An often overlooked component but vital for a smooth ride. Lubricate the chain every couple of weeks, especially in rainy seasons. It keeps the bike running smoothly and reduces wear. And don't forget the lights. Always ensure they're functioning correctly. They're not just for night. In rainy or foggy conditions, they make you visible to others. After your shift, store your e-bike in a cool, dry place. This prolongs the life of the components and protects the battery. Consistent maintenance might seem tedious, but it's the key to a hassle-free delivery experience. It's an investment in your safety and ensuring our customers get their food hot and on time. We believe in happy riders, happy customers. So take care of your e-bike, and it will take care of you. Ride safe, and let's keep delivering smiles with Pedal Plate. Thank you for being a part of Pedal Plate. We appreciate all you do. Until next time, keep pedaling.